If you use Google Calendar for organizing your day, tasks, and reminders, knowing how to mark a task as complete can help you keep everything clean, organized, and up to date. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to finish a task in Google Calendar in just a few seconds. This is super useful when you've already completed something and you want it removed from your active task list. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or on your device. Once you're inside your calendar, look for the task you want to finish. This could be something you added earlier for work, school, or a personal reminder. Find the specific task on your calendar and click on it to open the details window. When the task details pop-up appears, take a look at the bottom right corner of that window. There you'll see the Mark Completed option. Click Mark Completed and Google Calendar will immediately mark that task as finished. Once you do that, the task will no longer appear as an active task, which helps keep your calendar more organized and easier to manage. That's really all there is to it. In just 3 simple steps, you can open Google Calendar, select the task, and mark it completed. It's a fast way to stay on top of your schedule and make sure your calendar reflects what you've already accomplished. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Google Calendar tips and other productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.